Welcome to Smart Money Insight, your trusted guide to financial freedom. Here, you'll discover practical money tips, proven financial strategies, and smart insights designed to help you save smarter, invest wisely, and grow lasting wealth. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and building a brighter financial future, you've found the right channel. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest money-making and wealth-building content.
Want to earn $500 or more every month without working 9 to 5 for it? Today, I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These are real strategies that people are using to grow wealth, even if you start with little to no experience. So grab a notebook because you don't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up multiple streams of income that can keep earning money while you sleep. And I promise, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're proven methods that anyone can start with the right approach. Let's start with the first idea: turning your freelance skills into digital products. If you're a designer, writer, social media expert, or even someone with niche knowledge, you can create templates, ebooks, guides, or printables and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify. For instance, imagine you're a social media designer. You could create a set of Instagram post templates, content planners, or story graphics. Once you upload them, people can buy them repeatedly, and you don't have to do the work again for each sale. Here's the exciting part. Some people earn hundreds, even thousands, every month from just one set of templates. And if you create multiple products over time, the income scales. Even better, these digital products are evergreen, meaning people need them all year round. You make the work once, and it keeps paying. That's the magic of digital products. Now, let's move to number 2, dividend stocks and ETFs. This is one of the oldest but most reliable passive income strategies, and it still works in 2025. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually quarterly. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like bundles of multiple stocks, which lowers your risk and makes it easier to manage. For example, if you invest $10,000 in dividend-paying stocks with an average yield of 5% annually, that's $500 per year without lifting a finger. And here's the kicker: if you reinvest those dividends, your income grows exponentially over time. Even if you start small, like $500 or $1,000, consistent investing can turn into a meaningful income stream in a few years. Plus, with the rise of apps that let you buy fractional shares, anyone can start investing today. Number 3 is real estate income, including REITs. That's real estate investment trusts. Owning rental properties can generate steady monthly income, but I know buying property isn't always easy, especially if you're just starting. That's where REITs come in. REITs let you invest in large real estate projects and earn dividends from them. You can start with as little as $500, and your money works for you while you sleep. Imagine investing in a commercial building, a warehouse, or an apartment complex without ever having to manage tenants or maintenance. That's exactly what REITs do for you. Real estate has been a reliable source of wealth for decades, and now it's more accessible than ever. Next up, number 4, creating an online course or membership community. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others want to learn? Maybe you're great at coding, graphic design, fitness, cooking, or even public speaking. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, or Patreon allow you to build courses or membership content that pays monthly. For instance, if you create a course that 100 people pay $10 per month to access, that's $1,000 in passive income every single month. And after you build the course, most of the work is done. You just maintain it or make small updates. The demand for online learning is huge. And in 2025, subscriptions and memberships are booming because people love learning on their own schedule. The key here is to focus on solving a problem or teaching a valuable skill. The more specific and practical your course, the more people will pay for it. Finally, number 5, affiliate marketing through blogs, YouTube, or social media. Affiliate marketing means promoting products or services and earning a commission every time someone buys through your link. In 2025, niches like technology, finance, health, AI tools, and online courses are exploding. For example, if a software company offers a $50 commission per sale and you get 20 people to buy through your link, that's already $1,000 in passive income. And the beautiful thing is, once you create content, that affiliate link can keep earning for months or even years. You could start a blog with helpful articles, make YouTube videos reviewing products, or even post tips on social media. The secret is to provide real value and build trust. People buy when they trust your recommendations. And with the rise of AI and automation, creating content is faster than ever, meaning you can scale your affiliate income more easily. So there you have it. 5 real passive income ideas that can earn you money in 2025. Digital products from your skills, dividend stocks.
Thanks for tuning in to Smart Money Insight. If this video added value to your financial journey, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to explore our other videos packed with smart money hacks, investing tips, and wealth-building strategies. Until next time, remember, make your money work smarter, not harder, for you.